Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about how many push-ups you should do daily. Push-ups are a great exercise that can strengthen your upper body and core. But the big question is, how many push-ups should you do each day to get the best results? If you're a beginner, it's best to start with 10-15 push-ups. This will help your body get used to the exercise without putting too much pressure on Once your strength and stamina improve, you can aim for 20-30 push-ups each day. This routine will help you build muscle and increase endurance. To make things more interesting, try different types of push-ups, like incline push-ups or diamond push-ups, which work different muscle groups. If you're at an advanced level, you can set a target of 50 to 100 push-ups. This amount will really strengthen your chest and arm muscles. However, always listen to your body and avoid overdoing it. Even though push-ups are great, remember to give your body some rest. Take 1-2 days off each week to allow your muscles to recover. Rest is essential for better performance and muscle growth. So, that's a quick guide on how many push-ups to do each day. Always start with what feels comfortable and slowly increase your target over time. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise that can improve your fitness, but consistency and good form are key. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.